Bukod sa the emotions that you felt, does it also come with a challenge dahil ba nahirapan din kayo?
I think yes, of course, it's also part na nasama siya sa, sa performance namin. Yung pagod, yung actual rehearsals and all that. But I think more than anything else, like, I think we felt the song deeply and we were able to actually like appreciate the deeper meaning through movement, which is made by Coach Angel na sobrang talagang ginaid kami all throughout the...
Yeah. And it's very physical kasi you're using a ladder.
Yes.
No? Ang hirap nun. Glyza, was
pinuhat namin yung ladder, tiniklip namin siya, binuka namin ulit, binaba namin siya, inakyatan namin, binabaan namin.
Diba? Ang dami nangyari.
Nilakad niyo yung ladder.
Gamit na gamit yung ladder.
Correct. Nung una nga nung sinabi sa amin ng ladder, yung parang, paano pa repetitive? Kasi parang, hardcore yung ladder eh. Di ba? Ang industrial niya. Tapos biglang interpretative na very soft, slow yung movements. Actually, yun din yung isa sa mga notes sa amin ni Coach Angel na slow lang po. Kasi sa mga previous episodes, nasana yung katawan din namin na humataw.
Oo, pitik
diba?
kung pitik.
So parang yung challenge na yun, syempre, mahirap pa rin talaga siya. Kasi every episode naman, every piece, talagang hindi madali.
At lagi kayong may puso. Never namin kayo nakitaan na walang passion. Kayong dalawa. And yung ideas mo, Coach Angel, it never misses. So congratulations, guys!